Making a block in WIX using the phone is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the WIX application on your mobile device. Now tap on the ad in the middle of your screen. Next, tap on blog post. Here you can create a post. First, enter the title. You can write anything you want, then tap on the plus icon. Here you can find options like image gallery, divider, video and GIF. Now if you tap on poll, here you can choose a poll type. You can ask your question. For example, I'm asking what should we launch, then I'm going to give two options, facts or shoes. Next, tap on create. And your poll will be created. Now again go to the plus icon to explore different options. Here you can start writing your post. You can write anything. You can edit the text using the given tools. Then tap on the copy link icon. Here you can add the URL or link. You can find more options in the middle of your screen. Then tap on next. Here you can find the settings for your post. You can save it as a draft, then you can save and publish.